Do you have an excellent ability to listen? Because if you do, I will share to you a website where you can earn money simply by listening to audios and videos and then typing in what you heard word for word. Another job from the website that I'm going to share to you involves translating words to another language and using it as a subtitle. If you know any foreign languages besides English, then this video is also for you because this will help you make a lot of cash. All you need to do is just pull out your phone or computer, sit down in a quiet place, and start listening and type them down. You don't even need to leave your house to make money. Let me actually show you the website that you can sign up for and potentially make your $900 per day. Let's go. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So the website that I'm referring to you is named Rev. Now I want you to type in rev.com in your browser search box. Rev is a marketplace of qualified freelancers connecting them with customers who require a quick, low-cost assistance to complete their tasks. It offers a mixture of the world's best automatic voice recognition artificial intelligence and the world's largest community of speech-to-text freelancers, which currently numbers 60,000 and is rising. So basically what occurs on this website is that content creators or meeting organizers bring their audio or video recordings and have them transcribed or turned into words. Now I want you to scroll further below until you see this Become a Freelancer button. And if you found it, click on it and it will direct you to a new page. Rev's mission is to provide people with the freedom to work from anywhere while doing great jobs and that are powered by artificial intelligence. Here you can apply to work as a transcriptionist, captioner, or translator and earn money while working from home or anywhere else in the world. You may ask, why these three jobs? Well, actually, transcription, caption, and foreign subtitles are the three types of services that Rev offers you that you can accomplish, and they all pay out once you have completed the task. To understand better the jobs offered, I will be sharing with you how this works. First, transcription is a service in which Rev professionally converts all English audio to text. As a freelancer, you are required to listen to an audio and video and accurately type what is being said. And also, you are to label the speakers in the audio or video. You will then be compensated between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute, and the average monthly income as a transcriptionist is around $245. Second, Captions is a video editing service in which Rev adds captions to videos that include the video's dialogue as well as important nonverbal elements that help set the scene. You'll then earn between 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute, with an average monthly salary of roughly $245 as a captioner. And the third is Foreign Subtitles, is a service where you translate audios and videos into foreign languages to put it as subtitles to English videos. It pays $1.50 and $3 every audio or video minute and generates an average monthly income of $958. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To continue, it is possible to begin working in these three positions in only three simple actions. The first step is to complete a quiz and submit a transcript for transcriptionists, and captioning sample for captioners, or a writing sample for translators in order to demonstrate your mastery of English language and grammar skills. If you are accepted, you will be able to begin working immediately. The second step is choose jobs that interest you and work as little or as much as you like them. You'll be able to choose from hundreds of transcribing jobs, caption jobs, or subtitling jobs that Rev provides for you. Third and final step is that once you have done your work as a transcriber, captioner, or translator, you will be paid on a weekly basis on Mondays for your efforts. You have the option to choose any of these three positions. Choose the one that appeals to you the most, and you can proceed with joining up as a freelancer in that field. As an example, I choose to register as a translator since it pays out the highest among the three. Now, all I have to do now is fill up the form that you see right here and fill up the blanks with your name, email address, and the country in which you are currently located using the drop-down arrow. If you're finished, click the next button. And the next step will be signing up for subtitling services, which you will do after that. Make sure you comply with the instructions provided by Rev on this page. Upon completion of the requirements and acceptance of their terms and conditions, you will be able to register your application by clicking on the Submit button. Following the completion of the application, you will be converting English into the desired language. In addition, as you can see on the translator landing page, they posted a minimum pay rate per minute of every language. The payout rates vary depending on every language you choose to translate into, with translating English to Korean, Japanese, and German being the highest payout with $3 per minute, and translating it to Spanish, Hindi, and Chinese being the lowest that pay out only $1.50. With Rev, you have the freedom to design your own work schedule. You can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want with freelance jobs. It is also possible to pick and choose from a wide range of projects that you find interesting. After that, you'll be paid via PayPal every week for the tasks that you've done. There is no assurance that you will be making money on a daily basis on Rev because it still depends whether or not you will be approved by the company. However, the objective is to register on the website and earn as much money as possible. An additional option is to register on the sites that provide the same services as Rev.com. Transcribe.com and GoTranscript.com are two examples of online transcription services. All of these websites also provide you with the opportunity to transcribe audio and video files for which you will be compensated. Simply register in order to maximize your earning potential. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.